the bike. Lift the bikes. Come on, bikes.
JD, look at me.
Thank you. This was a good
We gotta wait for someone to move. It's like a half. Oh, nice.
Or Peter?
Go there. Come.
It's not running yet. Okay.
Buddy, just to answer everybody's question, we call it lighting off the locomotive. We're going to do that probably right around 10 or so. It's really hot up here. It's really hot out there, so we remind everybody, please stay hydrated. We've got water stations over here. Watch out for each other. Stay hydrated, have a good time. We'll start blowing the whistle sometime after we light the engine off. And it's going to sound a little bit different because the pressure is low. So thank you very much for coming down here. We're very happy to be in Philadelphia. It's good to see everybody. Thank you.
Say, welcome to our America 250 block party here in Philadelphia, the birthplace of the nation. Today we're celebrating more than history. We're celebrating the spirit of independence that sparked here 250 years ago. One moment, I'd like to welcome Union Pacific veteran Ed Dickens and Norfolk Southern veteran Natasha Malloy. They're going to do our presentation of colors and our national anthem. So if we can all take about 5 steps back. There we go.
very end, our train consist also consists of the Marco Polo Pullman car from 1927. This is the car that carried Franklin Delano Roosevelt around as he campaigned for president. And you got to remember, you go back to his era, you're talking the 20s and 30s, there was no Air Force One. There wasn't even an interstate highway. The only way to travel back then was on the railroad. So we were bringing politicians to the communities. And that car is there pretty much preserved in state from when he died. And that car carried his body after he died on our network. So, you know, when Jim and I talked about doing the Big Boy Tour and coming across east on our network, we had a lot of discussion about how far east we go. And I was really certain that the journey east should conclude here in Philadelphia. Not DC, not New York City, but here in Philadelphia, because this is where the country was born, and we're here today to celebrate Independence Day, Philly Day. All right. Yeah!
And we dreamed of a nation bound together in purpose. In yours, you have bound it in steel, coast to coast, through industry, ingenuity, and perseverance.
Bells. Once he has the fourth hit, we want all of you to ring the bells. So Jim, when you're ready, 4 times. D, O, N, E. And then out today. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for being a part of our 4th of July.
Take one day at a time and, you know, push through it.
I think the biggest challenge when we're out on the road is figuring out where we're going to eat at night. Like, everybody's, I don't know where you want to go. I don't know where you want to go. And let me tell you, it takes forever. So, yeah, that's really the biggest challenge.
Thank you.
All right, let's give 3 cheers for the SEAM team.
It's like a ballerina.
All right, as we wrap up our Q&A for the day and we head out, a reminder.
Action. Go low on you. Okay, cool. I don't think you should reverse.
Okay.
Go closer.
Get closer. There you go. Oh, there you go. Here it comes. Everybody run. Thank you. Oh, she took a lot of water.
I was a dog in my prior life.
That's a good dog. Let's go. Shady spot, shady.